Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Pre-Market Report sponsored by Delta.Exchange. Asian markets mostly positive. That's mainly because the China has kept its prime lending rate unchanged. Now the countries like China, India, all have to do something, to cushion the damage from this Trump tariff. So this Trump is a crazy fellow. I keep on doing something everywhere, here and there. Over the weekend, he has put some additional $50 per ton tariff against the goods coming from China, right? So it is earlier, product-wise duty. Now, no matter what is coming, right? As long as the ship is coming from China, so there'll be a $50 per ton tariff, right? So this is not going to this crazy fellow, already there, like even beginning itself, I stated two things very, very clearly. But most of the time, my interviews are with the Tamil channels, not English channels. I said two things very, very clearly. Number one, whatever Trump does, it's going to affect America only. So he is thinking he's punishing other people, but he is punishing his own people. And number two, right, at some point of time, he will realize, and the people around, because it's a democratic country, so the people will keep on doing the opinion polls. Now in opinion polls, his support is at the lowest level now. And then even if he does not reverse, after seeing this, if he's so adamant, so then there will be some civil unrest and he will be thrown out. So already there are signs, right? So I think there are some lot of processions all over America, yesterday also I read in some newspapers, some 1 crore people have gathered, against Trump, right? And, this a crazy fellow, he just doesn't bother about anything, right? You tell me which politician in which country bothers about the people, they just rob the country, right? So, because of this, the US futures are lower. So therefore, the gains in Asian markets are just limited. And GIF Nifty, it was trading about 23,900, but now it has come down. It is trading around 23,800, 820 like that. So as I told you, 23,869 is supposed to be a resistance level. And last Thursday, it was taken out just by 2 points, then came down and it was just consolidating. And then in just 3 trading session, I think Nifty has shot up nearly 1,500 points. And not necessarily last 3 trading session, in 3 out of the last 7 trading sessions. So because of that, logically, the market should consolidate for some time. And again, like stock specific movements will happen. And Infosys, these IT stocks are really very bad. And usually, when it comes to investment, like I'm a very, very conservative investor, not a daredevil like a trading. But what I did, like I thought even if the overall market sentiment is bad, still IT stocks, FMCG stocks will do well. So with that hope, I think few years before, one time Infosys, I forgot exactly, it was 22 or 23. Infosys came out with bad results, and that day it fell 10%. So, and that hit the lowest level. So I took that as an opportunity and I bought some shares. So I bought the shares at 1,250. Then it went up to 2,000, then crashing down. When it come to 1,500 plus, I exited, right? But 1,250 to 1,500 is just 10-12%, right? And or maybe more 20%. But I was holding for more than 2 years. And then even if I kept the money in bank FD, I would have got that kind of a money, right? So now, but at least I exited. But otherwise, I think the prices are coming down even further down. So who knows, it may go to 1250 once again. That too, I bought at the lowest point. Right? So that time itself, it was trading, 1500, 1600, then only came down, right? So like the things like, you see, but the banks have recovered completely, right? But IT stocks are struggling, even, at least 20% lower, every IT stock. TCS from 4,500 to 3,250. So that is a thing. HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank, although results are good, as I told you, probably most of the positives have already been factored in. So that's why they are trading at 52-week high. So it will be interesting to see how these three stocks will be reacting. But today there are no corporate results. Only tomorrow some companies will be coming out with corporate results. So overall, keep watching this 23,869 level. The market moves higher than this. I'm talking about the spot, not the future. So the bullish momentum can continue, and the Nifty can go to even 24,800. Maybe we can keep the 24,800 as the target for next series, May series. But again, as long as the Trump is not spoiling the game. But knowing Trump, I'll tell you, he will definitely spoil the game. So let us see what is going to happen. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.